Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hey, hi, welcome. My name is Taylor, but I also go by Nay. I do skincare, makeup, and hygiene related content, so if that's something you're into, subscribe to your girl. You know, I'm trying to reach 1K before the end of this year. Anyway, let's get into the video. So I am doing a review and also a tutorial along with some swatches of the new Cosmic Brushes Delicious Delights palette. Look at the packaging. This palette launches June 23rd at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This palette retails for $31.84 in USDs. So I want to show you the palette. I am an affiliate with Cosmic Brushes, so I'll leave my code on the screen. I'll pop it up a few times on the screen just so you can see it. When it does launch, I will let you know, and I'll also keep you updated for whenever any other of her palettes restock as well. So this palette is her fourth one. I have the other three. Her brand went pretty viral after her second palette launched. This is her second palette, the Serenity palette. I'm sure you've all seen it. It looks like this. And then her most recent launch is the Muse palette. It looks like this. And I believe her first eyeshadow palette was the Royal Rose palette, and it looks like this. Let's get into the swatches, and then we're going to get into the tutorial. This palette has 20 shades in it, 6 shimmers, 14 mattes. 4 of the shimmers are shifters. One of those is an iridescent duochrome, and one is a high shine foiled multi-chrome. So this shade is like really calling my name. Like, I just need to use it. So I feel like it's not gonna be a proper review. This is my first review. Let me just get my toes wet. So I want to use the shade Sprinkles, and I want to just like make like a winged out look. The Morphe 166 brush. You know what? I'm going in with my finger. Oh my gosh. That is literally the most butteriest. This shade is literally freaking stunning. Oh my goodness. And I'm just going to use this brush to clean up the edges. I could see me going through that shade in a heartbeat. Okay, so I did both eyes. Now let's peel off the tape. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. God. And I'm just taking a makeup wipe, cleaning the edges. Okay, so I did my whole base routine besides my lips and finishing my eyes. So we're gonna take the Delicious Delights palette again, and now we're gonna go on with a Jelly Bean and Smoothie. So I might have to do a second tutorial using this palette and actually do like more shades, because I'm only going to be testing out 3 shades in this video. So that's not really a good indication of how well the palette performs. I put some setting powder underneath my eyes just in case there are any fallout, because I am using a dark color. Jelly Bean is a really pretty color. I love purples, and I'm going to do the same on this side. As you can see, I'm not going all the way to my tear duct. I'm just going like 3/4 of the way in, and then I'm gonna stop. And now I'm taking the shade Smoothie, just a little bit, and I'm going to use it to blend this purple out. And I'm going to take the shade Zesty. I'm going to pat that right here. Okay, I'm all done. I'm going to brush this away now. Now I'm about to put on my lashes and my lip product. These are the lashes I will be wearing. And I'm going with my favorite lip combo, which is the R.e.m Beauty lip liner and Reverb, and the Blim Bunny lip liner that came in the Tease lip kit, along with the Fenty gloss bombs, the cream one in Cupcake regular formula in the shade Fussy. Okay, so this is the completed look. From the 4 shades I've used in this palette so far, I do think it is superb quality. Look at that. Like, just look at the shimmer on my lids. Like, this palette is superb. Her company is just amazing anyway. Like, I know I sound biased, but really, it's an amazing company. I do recommend this palette. I'm gonna put my affiliate link and everything down in the description bar, but I will also leave a code on the screen, and go get this palette. I will do another tutorial using more colors because I only use 4. So that's not really a good indication how well the palette performs. So I will do another tutorial and just keep you updated on my thoughts. So make sure you subscribe so you can see what my thoughts are about some more shades. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I truly, 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 truly appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Bye.